Welcome to this Provideam training video. In this video, I will present the Provideam OnePage Dashboard application. The OnePage Dashboard is a standalone dashboard application. It is designed to provide a live machine status display. We access the application using a modern web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. The OnePage Dashboard is not supported on Microsoft Internet Explorer. Note that the OnePage Dashboard is only available to users that have a subscription license to use the Provideam API. I will now log in to the OnePage Dashboard. In this case, I am using Google Chrome, with the address shown here. Ask your Provideam administrator for the link to use to access the OnePage Dashboard for your Provideam installation. I am logging in with the test admin account. You will log in with your personal Provideam username and password. There are 5 display sections on the OnePage Dashboard. Each section is configurable within the application. You must have security permissions to access the configuration page. As I have logged in as an administrator, I have access to the configuration button. The header section shows a selection of KPIs. Click the configuration button to modify this section. We can turn on and off the KPIs. Let's turn on the target Shift So Far KPI. Scroll down and hit the Save button. See, the target Shift So Far KPI is now displayed. Below the header and to the right, we have the status box. The status box shows the current operating mode of the machine. We can configure the KPIs displayed as well as the status box color for different modes. For example, we can change the status box color for the run mode to be yellow. And we can display the duration of the mode and the number of good parts this shift if we wish. For changeover mode, we can display the target time for the mode as well as the time remaining. The target time is a property of the mode and can be set in the Provideam Machine Administration section. The time remaining is the target time less the duration of the changeover mode so far. We can have the status box change color if the time remaining is above or below set percentages of the target time. For example, if we set the changeover below target time to 80%, then the status box will be displayed in the changeover below target time color until the mode duration reaches 80% of the target. Setting the target values to 0% disables this target color feature. For downtimes, we can select a color for planned downtime, idle downtime, and standard downtime. We can also create alerts to trigger escalation events. It is possible to configure up to 3 escalation alerts. If the duration of the mode exceeds the set time in minutes, then the alert escalation box will be displayed. The escalation can be linked to an email contact list, if these have been defined in Provideam, so that a message will be emailed to the contact list when the alert is triggered. On the right-hand side, we have the top losses by hour section. This section shows an hourly value for the yield and OEE, as well as the top loss for each hour. Each record can be colored based on the OEE value for that hour. If there are no losses for a period, and planned downtime has been recorded, then the row will be displayed in blue. Below the status box is a pie chart showing the breakdown of losses for the current shift. And below the pie chart, the top 5 losses section is displayed. You can choose to display various KPIs or not. The variance time is the target time less the actual time. The adherence is actual time divided by the target time. The loss records can be colored if the adherence time is above or below a target. The settings I have described here are machine settings. They are not linked to a user. When the settings are updated, they will be changed for all users. The final thing I would mention is that if you log in as a standard user, you will not have access to the configuration settings. And you will only be able to access the machines assigned to your user account. When I log in with the test user account, I cannot access the molding machines and I don't have access to the configuration settings. But now, when I log in with the test admin account, I can see all the machines and the configuration button is restored. Well, that brings us to the end of this demonstration. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please contact us. Our email address is support@provideam.com. See you in our next video.